Just know the reaction.
It's up, y'all. What's up? Today is October. Is it the 10th or 11th? Let's go with the 11th though. But I think it's the 10th. And me and my daughter are about to, they're out of school today. Today is Monday. I think it's Columbus Day.
What are you doing?
Starting my video.
Well, guys, guess how we prepare my hands so I can make whatever I want, and you can't see that, but you can see that because you're not my best friend.
That's not nice. Okay, well.
I'm just your best friend.
But yes, y'all, we're about to get ready to make a couple of fall activities for her since she's out of school today. So I wanted to film it and show you guys what we make. So let's get started. All right, let me get.
I love activities, Mommy.
Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw little legs.
I see you drawing little legs.
Yeah.
With the spider legs. Oh, can I do it?
You sure can.
Okay.
Okay, let me do these three.
Then I can do it. Okay. First, I'm gonna do this one. Okay. Wait. Let me run it walk. Boom! But how do you draw an eye?
Okay. You draw one big circle like that.
All right, sister.
Hey, see, as long as Mooka eats, she gonna eat it.
You need to.
You want your name right here?
Yeah. What? Oh, there.
It's Zani's pee-pee. Yeah, it stands for pumpkin patch. Yes. You want to show them your pumpkin patch, little girl?
Look, guys, there's a pumpkin patch pee-pee.
Oh my gosh. Let me see.
That's on the zombie pee-pee.
You're gonna mess it up like that. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. What's the got a big spider missing the eyes. Got a big leaf over here. Got a mini spider, whatever going on. Look at these. Pumpkin patch. Then you got a big pumpkin over here. And then a Zani's ghost. Ooh.